You've just seen how to solve problem 3-8, and that involved slowing United down and then speeding United back up. And you may have wondered, how did we know at first to try 540 knots? And why does the speed menu look the way it does with the 60 knot speed decreases? So what we're going to do now is take a look at that math behind the speed changes. It is math for middle school students. It is the actual math that air traffic controllers use when they determine speed changes for planes. So in order to learn about speed changes, we'll leave planes for a moment and we'll think about two students walking to school, Gabby and Tanisha. And Gabby walks at the rate of 10 steps a minute, and Tanisha walks at the rate of 9 steps a minute. So let's walk them down the number lines. At 1 minute, where's Gabby and where's Tanisha? Okay. Well, after 1 minute, Gabby will be at 10 and Tanisha will be at 9. Tanisha will be 1 step behind Gabby. Now after 2 minutes, where's Gabby and where's Tanisha? Gabby will be at 20 and Tanisha will be at 18, so Tanisha will be 2 steps behind Gabby after 2 minutes. And finally, let's look at what happens at 3 minutes. Where's Gabby? Where's Tanisha? At 3 minutes, Gabby's at 30, Tanisha's at 27, so Tanisha is 3 steps behind Gabby. Now you may be wondering, what does this have to do with planes that are flying at 600 knots? Well, let's remember that controllers make decisions in minutes, not in hours. So instead of thinking of a plane's speed in knots or nautical miles per hour, they think about the speed in nautical miles per minute. Let's see what that looks like for the planes that we've been working with. Remember that each of our planes started flying at 600 knots. That's 600 nautical miles per hour. So in 60 minutes, 1 hour, the plane flies 600 nautical miles. In 1 minute, the plane flies 1/60th of that distance. 600 divided by 60 is 10. So in 1 minute, a plane at 600 knots is flying 10 nautical miles. How about United? We slowed it to 540 knots. That means in 60 minutes, it would fly 540 nautical miles. So in 1 minute, it flies 1/60th of that distance, and 60 into 540 is 9. Okay. Now let's go back to Gabby and Tanisha. Greg?
Okay, so here's what you just saw with Gabby and Tanisha. Here's Gabby, again, 10 steps a minute, Tanisha at 9 steps a minute, and their progress each minute. And now we have Delta Airlines and United Airlines. And as you just learned, 600 knots is equivalent to 10 nautical miles a minute. So this airplane, Delta 88, goes 10 nautical miles each minute, just like Gabby went 10 steps each minute. United 74, 540, and 9. So the controllers use these 9 and 10 numbers. So I'm going to ask you a question a little bit differently than Miriam did. I'm going to ask you, where is Delta 88 in 1 minute? And how far behind will United 74 be? The answer is 10 miles in a minute, 1 minute, 10 miles. Just like Gabby, and this plane has fallen back. United 74 has fallen back 1 mile in 1 minute. What about at 2 minutes? Again, where's Delta 88? How far is United 74 going to be behind in 2 minutes? 20 miles, 2 behind. So 1 mile behind in 1 minute, 2 miles behind in 2 minutes, as you would expect. This is proportional reasoning. 3 minutes, 3 miles. Okay, Miriam's going to come back and now tell you about larger speed changes.
So you've just seen what happens when you make a 60 knot speed reduction. And we saw that happen in problem 3-8. We slowed a plane from 600 knots to 540 knots, and we watched it fall behind 1 additional nautical mile each minute. Now what happens if we make another 60-knot speed reduction? So we've made 2 60-knot speed reductions. We've slowed the plane to 480 knots. And if you divide 480 by 60, you'll see that that's 8 nautical miles a minute. And how far behind does this plane fall each minute? Well, after 1 minute, this plane will be at 8. So compared to the plane flying at 600 knots, it's 2 miles behind. After 2 minutes, it's going to be 4 miles behind. And after 3 minutes, it's going to be 6 miles behind. Okay? So it falls behind 2 additional miles each minute. Let's make one more 60-knot speed reduction. Remember, the speed menu goes down in 60 knots. So now we're at 420 knots. Dividing by 60, we get 7 nautical miles a minute. After 1 minute, how far behind the lead plane will this plane be? Well, after 1 minute, it will be 3 miles behind. After 2 minutes, it will be 6 miles behind. And after 3 minutes, it's 9 miles behind. Let's connect the x's minute by minute. And what do we see? Well, we see that after 1 minute, there's not much difference in spacing between the fastest plane and the slowest plane. But after 2 minutes, that distance has increased quite a bit. And after 3 minutes, it's pretty dramatic. So you can see that the greater the speed change, the greater the spacing. And you really see the power of the proportional reasoning.